Essex, and I am your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to my channel. Our channel is all about giving reviews on company, tools, and products in our industry. We deal primarily with how to make money with network marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. Every day we give a review so that you can make a well-informed decision. If you are interested in any of these topics, feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and also to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every day when we release our videos. With that being said, guys, let's get into today's review. Hello guys, this is Sandra Essex, your affiliate marketing, network marketing, online success connection. Today, audience, we're going to be reviewing a product that is really catching the internet marketing, affiliate marketing world by storm, because it is such a awesome high-end product that I am so honored to be able to give you a review on this product. It is a product created by a Mr. Josh Elder. And Josh Elder, if you do your research on Josh Elder, he is a high seven-figure earner in the affiliate marketing, online marketing field. Now, Josh created this program called the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. And right now we're on looking at part of their sales page, and I recommend that once I get through with this review that you do go to the sales page so you can learn more in depth what this awesome program is all about. They say that their programs are designed to provide you all with proper tools and training to allow all of us to establish the fundamentals of building a profitable, high-ticket online business. With this training platform, you will get access to an entire suite of products designed by 6 and 7 and 8-figure instructors who have collectively done over $100 million in online sales, including done-for-you sales funnels. So all you have to do is focus on sending your traffic. Everything is done for you. All you do is send the traffic to your website, and their system that you built into will do the rest. I mean, I have looked at this inside and out, and I think it is such an awesome platform, because it truly is taking the concept that you in business with somebody and just not in business by yourself. In this state-of-the-art training, you're going to have access to 100 hours of video training from industry experts. You're going to have 90 days to freedom, a pledge for 90 days to freedom, a call to action for 90 days to freedom, because they're going to give you everything you need to build your high-ticket selling system and be in profit within 90 days or less. It's an exclusive community where you are being taught. You have access, weekly access to 7, 8, and 9-figure entrepreneur online business people. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is something that it is well worth you taking the look, because everybody wants to be successful in affiliate marketing and online marketing, but some people don't have all the pieces of the puzzle. This platform right here is one that I can say you have all the pieces of the puzzle if you're interested in taking advantage of that opportunity. And after you have an access to all these awesome tools and training and mentors, they also offer you a licensed state-of-the-art high-ticket selling system, where also they have an affiliate program attached to it where you can actually share this product with other people who are interested in learning to do the same thing that you are doing. Now, the next page that we are looking at is the part of the selling page is that it's explaining the different programs. So I'm going to do a quick overview of the programs that they're offering, but I do recommend that you do get an in-depth look at how this program is put together. The first module is going to be the Build Accelerator. With the Build Accelerator, it's designed to provide you proper tools and training that will help you establish the fundamentals of building a successful online business. So you need your foundation laid. Okay, the second module is the Elevate Accelerator, and with the Elevate Accelerator, it is designed for people who want high profitable business in a box, as well as all the tools, training, and mentorship that will allow you to establish the fundamentals of building a high ticket online business and grow your own, not somebody else's, but grow your own 6-figure a year business. Now the next training module is the Transcend Accelerator. And myself, after reviewing this product, I will feel that you would be able to get the Transcend because it includes a lot of these programs that we're going over right now is in the Transcend Accelerator. But with this awesome module, you get a turnkey affiliate marketing business that is built from the ground up by their personal team, and you will get access to our done-for-you website, sales funnels, automatic email, autoresponders, messenger boosts traffic. It's a business in a box. Everything is put in for you. You even have the actual emails that Josh is running for his campaign that you can copy and paste, and you do the same thing and just copy what the successful people are doing, and you're following their example. Now the last module that you get with this is called the Awakening Accelerator. And this right here is for the really go-getters, the people that are really serious about earning an 8-figure income. This module right here is something that you need to take a look at. So with this being said, ladies and gentlemen, I really think that this is an awesome program. It's put together by 4 internet marketing superstar, multiple 7, 6, and 8-figure earners. So this is a product that I highly recommend, that it's well worth you looking at. At this point, let's talk a little bit about the people who put this package together. The founder is Josh Elder. Now, Josh Elder is a legend in the affiliate and internet marketing business. He's a high 7-figure earner, and his expertise is YouTube marketing. So you'll have a lot of training through Josh in this platform on YouTube marketing. Now the next person is Paulo Barroso. Now Paulo Barroso, he is, you just have to research on Paul. Paul is such an outstanding internet marketer and he has such strong credentials behind him. Now, Paulo is a high 6-figure internet marketing, and his expertise is solo ads, and he has an excellent program put together on solo ads in our high traffic affiliate accelerator program. So that's the number 2 person who is that's instructing you on the skills of developing a business online. Now the next person involved is a Fraser McDonald. Now Fraser is an 8-figure earner. His expertise is Facebook paid ads, mini chats, Instagram, and many other platforms. This young man right here is living a lifestyle that some of us could only dream about. Okay, so he is one of the instructors that's involved in this program, and I recommend that you do your due diligence and research every one of the people that I'm telling you about, so you will know for yourself that these people really know what they are doing. Fraser, he is an internet entrepreneur, an affiliate marketer, and a world travel, and most importantly, a Facebook expert. So you will get a lot of knowledge from Mr. McDonald on how to build your online business. Now, The next person involved in this awesome company, the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator, and their program is Brian Dixon. Now, Brian Dixon is an 8-figure earner. His expertise is Facebook, paid ads, mini chat, Instagram, and many other platforms. But most importantly, he is a 8-figure earner, travels the world, and he's giving back to his community with this program and sharing his knowledge with the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. Now, if anybody out there is watching this video and dreams of being successful as an online marketer, an affiliate marketer, this right here is the platform for you to at least take a look at, because it is put together by 4 phenomenal internet marketer that have a heart of gold. They enjoy helping people, they like to have fun, but most importantly, they want to teach you how to make money and be successful online with the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. Now, a lot of people have been trying this product. In the sales letter, they have a lot of testimonials of people who have used this product and the results that they are getting. My mentor is a Miss Karen Morrow. Karen and I go back, to 2009. Karen has struggled trying to put the pieces together to make money online. And just within the past year, by using this program right here, Karen has generated over $43,000, and she is strictly a non-techie newbie, okay? Even if she's been online, she was never successful until she got involved with these mentors and this program. I myself have gotten involved, and I am seeing phenomenal results, and I will be shooting a video on that shortly so you can see the results that I have received from this awesome program. So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in living the lifestyle that you can only dream about, that you want success as an online marketer, that you want success as an affiliate marketer, what I would instruct you to do is at the bottom of this video, just click the link. It's a link that will give you information about the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator program. It is well worth you taking a look. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you got value out of today's video. If you are interested in learning more online marketing strategies, feel free to click my subscribe button below so that you can subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon so that you can be notified daily when I release my daily reviews. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow on my next review.